Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have a special little haul for you guys. So this package is from my friend Robin. She has a really cute sticker shop called OhelloRobin, and we've recently been talking about stickers in the Hobonichi and things like that, and she asked if she could send me a few. We kind of went back and forth on sizing. I was measuring some things for her. So I'm super excited to see how these worked out and what design she came up with because she comes up with some really, really cute ones. All right, you ready, guys? Look at that. Oh, there's more in there. I wasn't expecting that. This is heavy. So this is a little something that feels like a card maybe. She is seriously the sweetest person. Oh, Jingle and Mingle. Look at how cute that is. It says happy notes. So cute. Promo code for you to use and to share ongoing. So just 10. So if you like what you see here, you can go over and go ahead and make yourself a purchase. I'll go ahead and make sure that's in the description down below for you guys. Thank you for all your help and support. I hope you enjoy these sticker collections. Oh, more than one. Ooh, Robin, that was so sweet of you. All right, let's look at what she designed because she makes the cutest stuff. I mean, seriously, guys. She sent me some, I think last year about this time, and I'll go ahead and link that video up above for you guys. They were so fun. And I had a lot of fun doing some experimenting with them. So I'm gonna, oh, this is her little thank you. Look at it, it's the cutest pumpkin, and I love this wreath. She sent me 2 of them. Oh, okay. This is her OhelloRobin cute stickers for your planner and journal. Happy holidays. Our new Christmas collection is filled with fun, functional stickers to make your planner or journal festive and organized for this holiday season. Highlights, removable sticker paper, easy repositionable, matte finish, easy to write on with any pen. New mini size boxes measuring 1.3 inches wide. Holiday sale, 20% off of all orders through November 17th. So I think that's going on now. I just popped over to her site and it looked like it. So you're going to want to, if you like them, go check it out right away. I hope you enjoy this sampling of our new Christmas collection. Please check out the shop for more festive holiday fun. Thank you so much for your support. She also does videos, so I'll link her channel down below as well. Oh my gosh, look at this. So the one thing I told her that I really is kind of hard for me is getting the days of the week. And look, she perfectly designed them. Oh gosh, I have to pull over my planner so you guys can see. Yes, I'm working on my content plan for November. Yeah, November starts tomorrow. I'm planning to be up to date then. But hold on. I think I have a week or 2 back here that I missed that maybe I can pull. Oh, here we go. This was August. I don't remember what was going on in August. But anyhow. So we have different size boxes, and I'm going to pull one of these off just to show you the sizing here. I'm not going to completely lay it down because I want to keep it, but that's going to be so perfect. And I love the font that she's using. It's absolutely gorgeous, really easy to read, simple to use. And then another thing we talked about was an area to decorate over here, potentially covering up some of this information, which is, I think, the design for this box. So we're going to, again, pull it off so I can just kind of see. Oh, yes, totally perfect for covering up that calendar. We have a little deco right there beneath it. Okay, so we have some kind of like hourly box, or these are... Okay, let's see. Are they hourly or are they... Yes, these ones are hourly. So that means these are kind of a bigger time block. So if you're time blocking out your day, or maybe you just, like me for mine, I tend to more have like general things, and then I'll write in to-dos or stuff. So like this. So this works perfect for me. I have all my days or numbers down here. I have these really cute washi strips, which work great because I have one that can fit up here at the top. And then I like to do one more towards the bottom sometimes, like this, to kind of separate my day from, you know, my to-dos. I also sometimes will use them to kind of highlight the area where I'm, like my work hours, I'll say, for doing YouTube stuff. So it's really nice to have the variety of washi. So we have a holly leaf one here. We have, yeah, two. And then this one has poinsettias, or poison plants as I call them, because they try to kill me. But they look really pretty. And we have that in a shorter width and a longer width, which means we have this width here and this one over here. So that's really nice. And then this, I think, is like page 2 of the mini holiday kit. So we have like some full boxes. I'm saying that in quotes because Hobonichi doesn't really have full boxes, but these are great if you have like a big event or something like that. So you have a bunch of those. We have some page flags. We have some more of those hour boxes and some habit trackers down here. We also had some dots over here. I overlooked that. These look to be about the size of an hour as well. So I think sizing wise, these are going to be amazing. So you have all of that. And then you have some beautiful deco here. We have some circles with different kind of greenery in them. I love the variety that she chose because each one of them is so different. And then we have some nice poinsettias through here, some big leaves of holly. We have a tree made out of kind of holly and poinsettias. That's really unique. I like it. And some corner type pieces. So this is all called Holly Jolly. So I'm going to set that one aside. Our next one here looks to be Winter Wonderland. Oh, look at these snowflakes. Oh, I love them so much. I have a big weakness for kind of snowflakes and things of that nature. So again, we have those nice full boxes. I love just the blue beautifulness of everything here. And you kind of have these small dots of snow through here, and everything is coordinating beautifully. It says Winter Wonderland over here. This would be really fun, especially to pull in some other things, like either like some happy planner stickers to kind of fill things out a little bit more and kind of coordinate things in, or just using one of the kits on its own, I think would be really fun too. Okay, and then she has a countdown for like an advent calendar that you can either, I think this would be really fun to do in here. Oh my goodness. So this makes me think of daily pages. So let me see. Let's turn to the back here. I've been a little, yes, I was planning out a giveaway. It still hasn't came to fruition. I'm working on it, guys. But back here, let's actually turn to December, sorry. Yes, this week. And that's November, so December would be after that. Okay, so this is December 3rd. So you could really easily put your number up here and then have whatever you're doing for your advent, kind of planning it out. In here, you could do an advent where you journal every day for the month of December. I think that would be really fun. The other thing is, I think these might be perfectly sized for your monthly. So let's turn there. This is January, but I'm pretty sure that's the same size square. So, and it says 25 Happy Christmas. So that's Christmas Day. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this idea. So if you're doing, like, say you're doing Vlogmas or something, actually being able to set each one of these on the days and then list off what you're doing would be kind of cool too. Or even for pre-planning Vlogmas. I think this would be so fun. And look, she has this cute advent calendar thing here. You could also use it as a craft thing. I think it was Joann's last year that I got like a little it was just cardboard or whatever that I could decorate and put different things on it. And I made it into an advent calendar and I decorated each one of the front of the little boxes. And I think this would be perfectly sized for something like that. So it's super cute. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with these, Robin. You did such a good job. I was so excited about the concept that I don't think I went into detail here. So let's go into detail. Sheesh. So I'm going to start with the first day. So we have a poinsettia. This one we have like some pound cake maybe and some tea. Christmas pudding, maybe? Somebody let me know if I'm right. That's Christmas pudding. I love the little cup here. We have a little Christmas gnome, a really cute wreath here, a candle, a little city there, some holly. Oh, this is just a combination of like a really fun candle and some decorations. We have little presents here, books to read, another little wreath. We have a chair by a Christmas tree. Looks all nice and cozy. Some maybe mistletoe hanging there, another wreath, a candle, this little Christmassy scene here. We have a really cute little, I don't even know what you call it, like a little, it reminds me of like table decorations that I would see. We have presents. We have bringing home the Christmas tree here. Love the little Christmas present on top of the truck. I think that's a really cute touch. Then we have like a little treat you're setting out for Santa maybe or something. You have some candles here. You have the sleigh. And then of course you have your Happy Christmas. And then on here you also have your 2022 advent calendar here. You have some cute deco with these candy canes and wreaths and this cute Christmas tree. And then a couple of really nice stockings. So that is all I have from Robin's shop today. I'm so excited about it. I think it's adorable. I'm totally going to be using one of these in December. I don't know which one. Maybe all of them. We'll see. So I think they're really fun and I'm so happy to support her. She has a really nice matte paper. It is not like the unicorn paper, but it is a really nice matte. So it's easy to reposition. It doesn't give like a whole lot of bulk into your Hobonichi as well. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to list them down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.